can see the detail. Super fragile though. Oh. Works better with snow. Alright, no snow here in Florida, so let's try it out on sand. Wet sand. Oh. Let's see. Try another wet piece of sand.